Hello, I'm ready for bed. Yeah, I know it's 8 o'clock and I'm ready for bed because it's been a long couple weeks. But something came in and I was just unboxing it and I thought, why am I unboxing this on my own and why am I not sharing it with you? So I'm sharing it with you, and what came in was my Trend Mood box. I was debating about purchasing this one, and then I decided it's coming up on Christmas. Some of these are going to be Christmas presents for people, so let's do it. So here's what is inside. First thing, I have one of these. I'm working my way through it right now, and I love this brand. It's Fable in Maine. This is their Holy Roots hair mask. It is very rich, so if you do have dried hair, this is a great one. I don't know if this box is still available. I ordered it, I want to say Thursday, and it's already here and it's Sunday, and that really surprises me with shipping-wise. Like, they were really fast, so there still might be some available. If not, I know that they sell the Fable in Maine at Sephora, and if you go on the Fable in Maine website, it's 25% off because of Black Friday. So, we got the Fable in Maine hair mask, which, like I said, is good. It smells so good, too, because, like, there's one in my shower. Okay, what's next is this. It is the Blue Tie Sleep Night Oil Smooth and Soothe from e.l.f. Okay, so that's it. I didn't even know what this is. I assume it's a face oil. Yeah, with retinoid. Okay, barrage oil, blueberry extract. Maybe I'll look all smurfy. Have you guys tried this one? Is this a good one? I'll give it a try. I do like face oils. Here, let's see if I can do it while we're on right now. I didn't grab a tripod, so you have to bear with me. Like this. So I can use two hands to open this. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And we're going to grab some. So it is blue. Do you see that? So there's one squirt and rub together and put on. So it doesn't smell. And I do have my retinol on, but I didn't do my, usually I will do a, afterwards, some face oil, you know, at night. So there we go. I'm back. So the skincare is done for the night. Makeup's all off. And I do pretty heavy usually at night. And then before I go to bed, I'll often put new eye on and new face on, like something a little bit heavier. So I kind of like that. We'll see how that goes. And I'm running low on face oil. So yay. Okay, so that was the second thing. Next up is a perfume. And let's get this box open. Here's what it looks like. It's a big, huge size of perfume, isn't it? And this is the Maison Louis Marie Bois de Balancourt. I like to pronounce things how they're spelled. So I assume that's how it's pronounced, but I don't know. Top notes are sandalwood and cedarwood. Not my favorite. Mid or vetiver, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And base is amberwood. So I like gourmand. I want to be edible. This is not for me. This is going to be a gift for somebody for Christmas. I don't know who, but I was working on that today. I had a whole bunch of iced tea this morning whenever I was up at Brownwood. So I have been up and doing stuff. Next up is the Allure. So I picked up one of these whenever I was in California. I got the purple one. If this is what I think it is, I think it's the eyeshadow. We're going to see. Okay, so I opened it up with one hand. Nope, I was wrong. This looks like something different. Oh, it is eye tint. Okay, liquid powder matte eye tint. Creaseless and smoothing. Okay, and that's a pretty color. Like, that'll be a great base color, or, you know, put it on. See, that's how it'll look whenever it goes on. And then smudge it out. I do that with the Armani one. That looks so good on. But I also have my makeup kit that I'm working on doing, so I'm going to use disposables when I do it. And we'll see, maybe if I'm not wild about it, it can go into the disposables, or I just put it up for whomever. I have a grab bag in the house here. Next up is Sigma. I got this little quad of the Peach Pie eyeshadow quad. Let's see if I can open up this with one hand. Fingers crossed. No. So I'm going to put the phone down. I don't know why sometimes I just can't open. And then I destroy the box. I'm like, I want to open and see it. I don't know why it has to be so frustrating. Okay. So you ready to see? Here it is. So those are pretty. It looks like we've got the 2 shimmers and then 2 mattes. So we can give that a try and see. I don't think I have a Sigma eyeshadow. I do now. And there's something else from Sigma in here. It's one of their lips. I believe so. Lip gloss, yeah. And the color is whatever that says. Yeah, you can see it about as well as I can see it. Maybe I need to get some ring lights in here. That wouldn't surprise me. Okay, so here we go. That's the color. That's how it'll look. So that's kind of dark. Again, I'll use one of my disposables just in case I don't like it. And no double dipping. Okay, next is from Thrive Cosmetics. Now that is red. Is it an orangey red or a blue red? I don't mind the blue reds. I don't use the orange reds. So let's see here. See if we can figure it out. If not, like I said, I'll pull it up tomorrow. That looks like an orangey red to me, but it's also dark. What do you guys think? Is that an orange red or a blue red? So we'll give that a try tomorrow and see. See how that goes. I mean, really, for what was it, $40? The hair mask is probably worth that. You know, and then we got the Illy, we got the Sigma, we got the Thrive, we got the e.l.f., we got the perfume. Yeah, we've got more. You want to see what's next? Is this. It is from Polite Society. I believe it's a blush. I'm checking it to see. Yeah, it's a powder blush stick. So let's get this open. And see, I do like the color. It is Los Angeles. So that's a cute little container. I like that. Okay, putting you down again so I can open. Ooh, look at. Okay. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, so I think this is my first thing from Polite Society, and you want to see? It's hard to tell, right? But that's kind of the idea of blush. And I could pull off the coolers. So, yay. Okay, so I'm excited for that. She Glam. I think the last 3 things are from She Glam. We got this. I believe it's 3 powder puffs. You always need more powder puffs. Hey, got a question for you. Do you wash your powder puffs? Because I wash them. I throw them in one of my garment bags and my lingerie bags, and I just wash them. But I don't know if normal people do that because it come in like sets of 50. Do you do that or no? Or do you use it for like a week and chuck it? I don't know. What are you supposed to do? She Glam also sent this. This is the Lunar Glow Highlighter. I got something like this from TikTok Shop. And then I ended up, Tilly has it. Because she really liked it. And it's a little spaceship. Look at that. How cute is that? So this looks really similar to what I had got. And it's got the little moon craters on it. And it's pink, so I do like it a lot. So we'll see. And it feels much better made. So we'll see what the quality is like tomorrow. Let's see. I've got blush, eyeshadow, lip, perfume, face oil, highlighter. And this, I've got not enough for a full face, but I've got pretty close. I need foundation and concealer, which, it's hard to send. Brow stuff, brushes or something. But otherwise, I'm pretty good. And eyeliners and all. And then She Glam, what is this? I think this is the setting powder, and it's in, is that bubblegum? Am I reading this right? I do like the pink setting powders. And that's one of the things. Okay, so they sealed it. We used the setting powders quite a bit in beauty school. So Did you know you can mix your setting powders? So if you have, say, like a pink and a translucent, you can mix those, or like a pink and like, crap, what is it? The lightest ones, right? I don't know. I'm tired. Okay, so here's the container. And then here we go, open. Okay, oh, okay, so I listened to Johnny Ross in his Beautiful and Bothered podcast, and he had talked about this. I had looked into getting this. Oh, I'm so glad I got this box. I had looked into getting this, but you have to buy so much stuff to get the free shipping, and I don't want to pay for shipping, and I couldn't find a whole bunch of stuff because I like to feel it, and that's why I like to go into Sephora and Ulta, right? So this top is press powder. So this is press powder right here, and then you untwist the bottom and it's loose powder. So you pressed and loose together, and it's pink, which is exactly what I would have purchased for myself if I would have had a choice. So so excited to use this tomorrow. I love the Danessa Myricks one. I love the Hourglass. What else do I have? I have a couple other in there. I have a Kosas one, and the top like broke on it, so I'm kind of annoyed about that. It is a press powder, but that might not be staying with me very long. That might be going into my grab bag area. But okay, so what are the good ones here? The She Glam, so excited to try this. The puffs, because you always need more puffs. The highlighter, which is also pink, which, like I said, works out really good for me. The Polite Society blush, I'm excited about all of these. The hair mask, I love, love, love Fable and Mane. I'm looking forward to trying the Ilia, and this is one I didn't even know if I wanted to get. I'm so glad I did. The e.l.f. I already tried. Look how, I'm not going to say this is because of that. Like, this is because of my skincare, and then I used my Medicube, and then I put on retinol, and then I put on the oil. The Sigma, I am looking forward to trying because they have like the Beauty and the Beast palette and the Little Mermaid palette, and I'm like, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it, but like it's Beauty and the Beast and it's a Little Mermaid. So I am looking forward to trying the Sigma palette. The Sigma lip I've had before. I don't know if this color is going to be too dark for me. The Thrive, I don't know if that's going to be the right color for me. The perfume, those scent notes are not for me. But like I said, for someone, it will be on my Christmas list. So that's what came in the Trend Mood box. I'm glad I got it for $40, and then there's a code that they give me. So I got just under $40. So with taxes and stuff, it was like right around 40. Totally worth it. Glad I got them.